Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to live chat with Epic Games. To start a live chat with Epic Games Player Support, the first thing to do is to open up your Epic Games launcher and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile picture. In the pop-up, click on the Settings button. Opening up the settings will take you to these options, from where you'll need to scroll all the way down and click on Support. This will open up your Epic Games Store's support page, from where you'll need to scroll all the way down and click on Contact Us. Under Contact Us, you can go ahead and fill out the form, provide as much as details as possible for your issue, and then finally click on the Start Live Chat option at the bottom. The live chat availability might vary depending on the time of day and the volume of support requests. If you have any agents available for live chat, you will be able to start a live chat with the customer support agent, and feel free to describe your problem with them. So that is how you will be able to live chat with Epic Games. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.